Hey, future millionaires! My name is Isabella and I became a millionaire within 2 years thanks to the power of online business and social media. I don't care who you are, you need to start an automated online business. It only takes you 10 to 20 minutes to fully set one up as a complete beginner. And the earning potential is unlimited, so no excuses. The best way to build an automated online business is by creating something one time and then allowing that to make money for the next 5 to 10 years. All on autopilot. This is what I call building digital assets. Tons of people are starting these online businesses and seeing crazy results. So if they can do it, why can't you? And you guys already know I am no special than any of you guys. So if I could do it myself, you could too. It's the best business model because you don't trade your time for money. You can start with little to no money. You can scale without limits, and you can run this from anywhere in the world. Online business automation has never been easier thanks to the power of AI that we now have, which means your business can run 24/7 while you sleep, travel, work your day job, or spend time with your family. It's literally like having free coworkers. Now, there's 2 directions you can take with this: digital products or physical products. Both of these are automated. Both of these are profitable. Let me show you how simple it is to set up both of these. So automated business idea number 1 is selling digital products. Digital products are one of the best automated business models because it only takes you one time to create these digital products and then you can then sell them in limited amounts of times over the next 5 to 10 years. No inventory, no shipping, and no constant fulfillment. And you can do it using this one AI tool. This AI tool that everybody is gatekeeping is called Trend Assist AI. This AI tool will help you launch a profitable digital product without spending months building it. Trend Assist AI is way more than just a trend research tool. It's a full digital product builder that takes care of the entire process for you. It finds exactly what's trending on the market. It helps you build your digital product business from scratch. Ebooks, templates, printables, you name it, it has it. It even creates marketing content that you can use to start promoting and start getting sales immediately. So if you guys go to trendassist.ai or just click the link in my description box below, it will bring you to this page. And you guys can make an account here, and once you're in, it's going to show you this. So you can ask the assistants what digital product sells best and just put in your niche, whatever you want here, just to kind of start gaining ideas. It's gonna give you tons of different responses, so you can immediately start brainstorming using this AI that has all these up-to-date trends and suggestions. Then you can use a digital product assistant to write the full digital product for you. You can then refine it and make it perfect all through the AI digital product writer. You can refine it all here. Then you're gonna go down here and pick one of the digital product templates in this section to get your professional looking digital product done in minutes. Then you can use the Instagram assistant. You can see it can generate tons of marketing strategies for you and even creates your social media posts, writes captions, ads, and promotion scripts so you can launch it and start marketing right away. And again, this is not just automation, this is literally building a digital asset for you that you can sell for the next 5 to 10 years. So not only does it help you brainstorm and get ideas, not only does it build your entire digital product for you, but it even helps you to start marketing and getting the sales. If you guys want to use this, I did put this down in my description box below, or you can just Google Trend Assist AI. So this tool is really great, and I definitely recommend it for beginners wanting to get into the digital product space. It's much easier than you having to come up with everything on your own, writing the entire thing on your own, and then it all being on your shoulders to actually market it. So definitely recommend checking it out. If you guys want a full step-by-step course to digital products, I actually made one for you guys. It's on my YouTube channel, so I'll make sure to link that down below in my description box. Automated business idea number 2 is an AI niche store. Over 2.6 billion people shop online, and that's 33% of the global population, growing every single year. This is your chance to get a piece of that with zero inventory and zero shipping headaches. You can use this free AI-powered online store system that builds your store for you, stocks it with winning products, and automates shipping and fulfillment from day 1. And I'll show you how to do this right now. So to get started with this, just go to my description box down below and you will see right there's this free AI store builder. Click that link at the top of my description box, and after you click that link, it will bring you to this page. Just enter your name, your email, choose a niche, either fashion, pets, electronics, home and garden, sports and fitness, or you can select, I'm not sure. Go through this step-by-step process here, and it's gonna walk you through every single thing you need. Even this is very beginner friendly, so don't be afraid of trying this out. You'll eventually come to this page where you'll sign up for Shopify, and if you use this link, you'll get 3 months for $1. And they don't always have this promotion, so this definitely is so worth it to just create your store through here. And to complete the Shopify registration process, you'll just do that here. And in just minutes after continuing to follow this process here, you will literally have a fully done for you online store with trending products loaded in. You guys, look how amazing our online store looks that we can start getting sales on right away. And you guys can see right here, we already have products added to this store. Our descriptions are made and everything is done for you, ready to go. And remember, you don't have to actually ship these products. The supplier handles everything for you. All you have to do is get the sale and then you keep a piece of every single profit. The supplier handles everything for you. You guys will also see in this step-by-step process, AutoDS will pop up. This is where you're getting your supplier and products from. AutoDS also gives you tools to research product data, check profit margins, see competitors, spy on trending ads, automate pricing, and manage orders automatically. And you can even see here, they have products with fast shipment, some even just 2 days, which is insane for dropshipping. You can also custom brand your products through their system if you want to level up later and actually brand all of your products. And I know there's a lot more to this. So again, I actually made a step-by-step free course for you guys on my YouTube channel just dedicated to this automated business model. So again, I will put that free course for you guys down in my description box below if you do decide to go this route. Now, step 3, which is getting sales. Should you run ads? No, I do not recommend paid ads for beginners. I personally know people that have spent thousands of dollars in ads and didn't get a single sale and just wasted money. So I refuse for you to do that. I personally became a millionaire in 2 years because I mastered one single skill. And that skill was organic marketing, which means money that you make and drive through free social media traffic. Now, do not click away, guys. When you hear social media, you need to stop associating that with having millions of followers or being an influencer. I started all of my accounts from scratch. I also started completely faceless. I know other people that are starting from scratch in recent times and are blowing up overnight because of one single post. It's never been easier to actually get yourself out there. Social media now is not what it was 10 years ago. You create content and I promise you have an equal chance of going viral with the right strategies. That I also teach on my YouTube channel for you guys. And again, in regards to actually bringing in the sales, which nobody talks about, I have an entire playlist on my YouTube channel for that too, called How to Get Sales. So no matter which one you start, you can refer to that playlist to master organic marketing and get sales without paying for ads, which is exactly how I became a millionaire in 2 years. I literally share all my strategies 100% free for you guys. All I ask in exchange for the free education, guys, is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos for you guys just like this. Wishing you guys all the best with your online business journeys, and I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye, everyone.